In this video, we will walk through how you can create your own Top 25 report. This report will compile a list of the post-secondary institutions that your high school graduates most commonly attend. Once you download your ARR, save it as an Excel workbook, .xlsx. With the workbook open on the ARR tab, select Insert and then select Pivot Table. Make sure New Worksheet is selected, then select OK. You can create different Top 25 reports depending on the enrollment timeframe. In this video, we will create a Top 25 report for all students currently enrolled and another for those students enrolled in the first year. To create a Top 25 report for currently enrolled students, click and drag Student Currently Enrolled to Filters and filter for the value Y. Next, click and drag Current College Name to Rows and Your Unique Identifier to Values. On Your Unique Identifier, you'll notice that the value automatically reflects the count. This shows that the pivot table is counting the unique students who are currently attending each post-secondary institution. This table is much easier to read if these schools are sorted to show those with the highest attendance. To do that, right-click one of the counts in the pivot table, hover over Sort, and select the largest to smallest sort option. You can also add the percentage of all currently enrolled students. To do this, click and drag another Your Unique Identifier to Values. Click this field, then select Value Field Settings. In the pop-up, select Show Value As, and in the drop-down, select % of column total and click OK. The percentage of all currently enrolled students at each college will be shown. You can break the information down further to compare groups of students. For instance, if you are a state or district, you can create breakdowns by high school. To do this, click and drag High School Name to columns. Doing this will show a unique currently enrolled Top 25 report for each high school. You may find there are too many columns for your data. If so, you can click and drag High School Name to Filter, where you can filter to display a specific high school. If you are a state, you can compare districts in a similar manner. Click and drag High School NCES to Filters and filter to display a particular district NCES code. Now let's say you want to produce the same report for first-year enrollment. You can do that by following similar steps. Click and drag Attend Within First Year to Filters and filter for the value Y. Next, click and drag First Year College Name to Rows and Your Unique Identifier to Values. Once again, you can include % of first-year attendance at each institution out of all students who attended within their first year. And you can filter on high school name. This will create a first-year Top 25 report. To learn more ways to examine the information in your ARR, please watch additional tutorials.